Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate. AI has made our lives easier by automating mundane and repetitive tasks, freeing up our time for more creative and meaningful work. These apps are designed to help you save time, increase efficiency, and streamline your daily tasks. Today's video is about 7 AI apps beyond ChatGPT that can help boost your productivity. Before we discuss this in detail, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Number 7. Todoist. Todoist is a popular task management app that uses artificial intelligence to help you stay organized and boost your productivity. It allows you to create to-do lists, set deadlines and reminders, and categorize tasks by project. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, Todoist makes it easy to keep track of your tasks and get more done. One of the key features of Todoist is its AI algorithms, which analyze your work patterns and suggest the most efficient schedule for completing tasks. It can be especially helpful for people with many tasks to manage, making it easier to prioritize your work and stay on track. Additionally, Todoist offers a range of productivity tools, including adding comments and attachments to tasks, setting recurring tasks, and collaborating with others on shared projects. Todoist has the ability to integrate with other productivity apps and tools. For example, you can link Todoist to your calendar app, allowing you to see your schedule and tasks in one place. You can also link Todoist to your email inbox, making it easier to add tasks and reminders directly from your email. Additionally, Todoist offers a range of plugins and extensions for popular browsers and productivity apps, allowing you to use Todoist from anywhere on any device. In terms of collaboration, Todoist makes it easy to work with others on shared projects. You can assign tasks to others, add comments, and receive notifications when tasks are completed. It's a great option for teams and individuals who need to work together to achieve their goals. Todoist offers a range of security features, including data encryption and secure access control, to help protect your data and keep your information safe. Todoist offers both free and paid plans, with the paid plans offering additional features and increased functionality. The free plan includes basic task management features, while the paid plans include advanced features like task collaboration, reminders, and integrations with other apps and tools. Number 6. Brain.fm. If you're struggling to focus due to background noise in your workspace, music could be the solution you need to block it out. However, not all music is conducive to productivity. That's where Brain.fm comes into play. This tool uses artificial intelligence to create music to enhance focus, relaxation, and sleep. The music, developed by scientists and composers, features ambient sounds tailored to specific states of mind, whether for deep work or rest. At Brain.fm, we use the principles of neuroscience and psychology to craft the ideal music that can aid in studying, exercising, and sleeping. Our hypothesis is put to the test through the creation and evaluation of these sounds on a large scale to determine their effectiveness. To validate our work, we conduct experiments to measure performance and brain activity and include a placebo control group to guarantee that the technology is responsible for the positive results. Tech YouTuber Mark Ellis raves about Brain.fm, claiming it's made him the most productive he's ever been. He states that the tool can save you a significant amount of time. Brain.fm offers a 3-day free trial, after which it costs $6.99 per month or $49.99 per year. Give it a try and see if it helps you increase your productivity. Number 5. Grammarly. Grammarly is a writing tool that uses artificial intelligence to help users improve their writing skills. It's a software that provides suggestions, corrections, and writing enhancements to make the text more polished, professional, and engaging. It can be used as a browser extension, a desktop application, or a mobile keyboard. Grammarly goes beyond the basics of spelling and grammar checks by offering more advanced writing feedback. For example, it can identify word choice and style issues, provide context-specific suggestions, and suggest more concise ways of expressing ideas. It also offers suggestions for sentence structure, punctuation, and tone improvement, helping users write with clarity, accuracy, and impact. One key advantage that Grammarly offers over a language model like ChatGPT is its ability to learn from a user's writing style and adapt its suggestions to fit their individual needs. For example, if a user frequently uses the word utilize instead of use, Grammarly will recognize and make suggestions accordingly. Another advantage of Grammarly is its ability to identify writing patterns and suggest improvements beyond basic grammar and spelling. For instance, it can help writers eliminate passive voice, overused words, and awkward phrasing to make the writing more concise, direct, and engaging. In terms of productivity, Grammarly can help users write faster and more efficiently. With its real-time suggestions and quick corrections, users can avoid common writing mistakes and improve their writing skills without spending much time self-editing. It can be especially helpful for people who write regularly, whether it's for work, school, or personal projects. Grammarly offers a basic version that can be downloaded for free. For those seeking more advanced features, such as suggestions for word choice and tone, premium plans are available. Number 4. Missive. With the help of OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, the all-in-one chat platform, Missive, has released a whole new AI function. Thanks to this convenient function, users can get instantaneous email responses tailored to their specific needs. Missive can be instructed to compose an email to arrange a meeting for a given date, and it will promptly reply to your request within seconds. The email's tone and style can be modified at a later time. Missive provides ready-made prompts like respond positively and reply negatively to facilitate the process. D'Alessio was impressed with Missive's tool in a review he wrote in 2018. After using the service for almost 2 years, he recently wrote that the AI feature is a really exciting step forward, especially for email. Missive developed this function to facilitate easier control over one's inbox and higher levels of efficiency. Missive's mobile app streamlines your on-the-go inbox and to-do list management. The app can be downloaded on Apple and Google mobile platforms. It has a lot of settings that can be changed so that the service is unique to each user. You can personalize everything from the color scheme to the keyboard shortcuts and macros. Users can keep tabs on their output and the success of email campaigns with the help of the system's reporting and analytics features. You can try out Missive for free with some restrictions, and it'll cost more if you add more advanced features. If you're a business owner or a professional with a full plate, the artificial intelligence feature in email client Missive can be a lifesaver. You can upgrade your email organization immediately by giving it a try. Number 3. Motion. One of the key ways that Motion sets itself apart from other productivity tools, including ChatGPT, is through its ability to automate workflows. With Motion, users can create custom workflows that automate repetitive tasks, such as sending emails, moving files, etc. This allows users to save time and focus on more important tasks, leading to increased productivity. Another unique aspect of Motion is its ability to integrate with other tools and services. It allows users to connect Motion with their favorite apps such as Slack, Google Drive, and more, and streamline workflows across the platforms. With the ability to integrate with many different tools, Motion can help users work more efficiently and effectively, improving their overall productivity. In addition to its automation capabilities, Motion also offers a range of collaboration tools that makes it easy for teams to work together. With shared workflows, task management, and real-time collaboration, Motion makes it easy for teams to stay on the same page and get work done quickly and efficiently. It's also designed with user experience in mind. It offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface that makes it easy for users to start and automate workflows immediately. Its simple and straightforward design allows users to focus on the task at hand and not be bogged down by confusing interfaces or complicated workflows. Motion offers a 7-day free trial, followed by a monthly subscription fee of $19 for individual users and $12 per month for work teams. Number 2. Otter.ai. Otter.ai is a cutting-edge technology platform that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to transcribe and analyze spoken words in real time. It offers a range of products and services designed to help individuals and businesses maximize productivity, streamline workflows, and improve communication. Otter.ai works in conjunction with ChatGPT to help boost productivity. ChatGPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI, can help users generate text-based responses to a wide range of questions and requests. By integrating with Otter.ai, ChatGPT can transcribe spoken words into written text, making it easier for users to capture and analyze spoken content in real time. For example, if a user is in a meeting and wants to capture all of the important points discussed, they can use Otter.ai to transcribe the conversation in real time. This transcription can then be fed into ChatGPT, which can analyze the content and provide relevant responses, summaries, and insights. Otter.ai provides several plans to choose from. The basic version is free and can transcribe up to 300 minutes of audio per month. The Pro version costs $8.33 per month and allows transcriptions of 1,200 minutes of audio. The business version, which costs $20 per month, offers the ability to transcribe 6,000 monthly minutes and generate analytics. Number 1. Qatalog. Staying organized is crucial for a smoothly functioning workplace, whether you're launching a business or managing multiple teams at large corporations. That's where this tool comes in, utilizing AI to create a comprehensive virtual workspace tailored to a company's specific requirements. It streamlines work processes like employee onboarding and generates instructions for introducing new processes, such as content creation. You can try it out for free with a 14-day trial which costs $9 per month. An enterprise version is also available with a price open for negotiation. From ChatGPT to Smart Reply, these apps can help you make the most of your day, whether you're a student or a business professional. So, what AI-driven apps do you use to boost your productivity? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss out on any amazing videos from us.